guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm not sure if y'all can tell, but today we are using natural light for the video, so that's always a good thing. Today's video is gonna be a beginner friendly video, so if you are a beginner and you are just getting into makeup, these are some product recommendations. Now, instead of using a moisturizer, I am actually gonna go in with some facial oils. Now this is a facial oil blend which I have made it myself. And I have been making it for a while now. It's really good for your skin, it hydrates your skin. So I'm going to start with this facial oil. As you can see, it's not a lot of oil, but it's going to go a long way. And once I'm done applying the oil, you can tell the difference. So let me just quickly apply the oil first. If you are interested in learning more about facial oils and all of those things, let me know and I will be sure to make a video sometime in the future. Just let me know in the comments below or just DM or whatever. Can you tell the difference? I'm not sure if y'all can tell, and can you all tell the difference in my skin? Because I can tell in person. Yeah, I think the facial oils, they make a huge difference. So if you are looking to add something into your skincare routine, definitely give facial oil a try. Now I'm not gonna go into the brushes and all, because I will be using a few brushes, but I'm not gonna go into brushes because that is like a whole nother thing. Today we are gonna focus mainly on the products what I'm using. If you are a beginner and you are not used to wearing heavy duty makeup, I would suggest go for something that is very lightweight. Lightweight foundation is basically foundation which has medium to low coverage. If you want to go in with the full coverage foundation, the makeup is not going to look light. So this is a foundation which I like to use when I'm going in for a very light or a sheer coverage. It is by Fit Me, and it is in the shade 130 Buff Beige. That is my shade, that's my color. The Fit Me foundation range has a medium coverage to it, so I'm gonna go in with this foundation first. I'm applying the foundation, I'm dotting it all over my face. I'm just gonna blend it all out now. If you are using a foundation which has medium to low coverage, it's not going to completely hide your blemishes, your acne and stuff. It will still be seen through, just that your whole face will have an even tone and it will give you a slight glow. So you just have to remember that when you're applying foundation. So the foundation is done and that is how it looks. Quickly conceal our under eyes a little bit. Now to conceal your under eyes, what I'm going to show you today is using an orange color corrector and a concealer. So first take your orange color corrector and only on your under eye add a little bit of this orange color. You don't want to add too much because you want your makeup to look very natural and very skin-like. So add very less amounts of product, don't add too much. And then I'm just going to tap it like this. Tap on your color corrector. Then I'm taking my concealer, which is again Fit Me Concealer 25 Medium. And the color corrector was from LA Girl Pro Concealer. Now the concealer you want to add on your inner corner of the eye like this, and some over here. That's it. Now you can just use your finger or you can use a brush, whatever. I'm just gonna use my finger, and you just want to dab the concealer like so. And now once all of that is done, take your compact powder. You can either use a compact powder or you can use a setting powder, whatever you want. I'm using a compact powder because I feel that is more beginner friendly than setting powder. Just my personal opinion, could be wrong. So here I am using the Fit Me powder in the shade 310 Sun Beige. Honestly, the Fit Me range is a really good range for a beginner, and actually also on a professional level. It's a really good range if you want to buy. First, we are going to set the foundation, and I'm just going to take some powder like that and just press it on the foundation, press the foundation down. So first I'm going to apply on all over my face except our under eyes, forehead, cheeks, nose, chin, all of that area. Now before applying powder on your under eye, you just want to just once again tap it and make sure there are no creases over there, and then take your powder and add the powder there. There, done. So that is the foundation and concealer done. I'm taking some blush on my brush and I will add that blush. You don't want to add too much. If you're just a beginner, you just want to first get used to it and then go darker with the blush. So just add a little bit, and as you can see, I'm using very light and feather-like touch. Also, you can add some on your nose. It always looks good on your nose, so add some over there. And yeah, that's it. Your blush is done. First, let's do a highlighter and then we'll move on to our eyes. This is a highlighter from Miss Claire, and as you can see, it's broken. It is in the shade 05. I will probably be able to find a link to this on Amazon. So all the links in the description box. Just check the description box. I'll either leave a link to the exact same product or a product which is just like this product. All of these products are quite inexpensive, so in case you want to go check it out or buy it. And very lightly, the highlighter will add on our cheekbones, the part of your cheek which is coming up. And when you're adding highlighter, be careful because you can get blown away, which is what always happens to me. For my eyebrows, I am using this pencil which comes, this one is from Color Sense. It's this dark brown color. So I'm using this Color Sense pencil. It's got a spoolie and it's got this pencil attached, as you can see. With the spoolie, just quickly first brush your eyebrows out and make sure that you know which all parts of your eyebrows need to be filled. Then take your pencil and just lightly start filling the parts of your eyebrows which you think need filling. Don't go very dark. Hold the pencil like this and with very light strokes. Very light strokes. We're gonna fill in our brows. That's it. Our eyebrows are done. You don't want to use a dark color, never go for black colors, okay? With your eyebrows, always make sure that you stick to dark brown, but don't go with black. You'll look funny. Take my word for it. You want to use your eyelash curler and curl your lashes. Make sure the lashes are properly curled. Eyelashes have fit in this, and then just press it a couple of times. That's it. Eyelashes are done. You want to make sure that you're pressing this properly, like properly press it, okay? We are not doing any eyeshadow, nothing. It is fine if you go without an eyeshadow. And since if you are a beginner, you don't want to have too much makeup which will make you feel uncomfortable. So yeah, skip the eyeshadow, trust me. In the beginning, you don't need to do it. It looks fine. I'm taking a mascara now and I will add the mascara on my lashes. When you're adding mascara, make sure that you take your wand and you wriggle it a little bit so the mascara actually gets onto the eyelashes. Like that. The mascara is from Maybelline again. It's become like a whole Maybelline haul, I feel. But Maybelline products are really good. And just add a little bit on your lower lashes as well. Stunning mascara really opens your eyes up. As you can tell, my eyes look much more open and wide awake. If you want, you can go in with some kajal. I just don't personally like kajal because I feel it makes my eyes look much smaller, and I already have small eyes. So, but if you want, you can use a kajal. Just add kajal. That's it really. And let's move on to the lipstick now. Today I am using a lipstick which is from L18, Colourpop's Matte, and this is in the shade W12. So that's the lipstick, and it looks like this. It's a nice mauve pink color, beautiful color. And yeah, so we're gonna use this lipstick today. And yeah, that is the look. Use whatever lipstick you want. You don't have to worry because you don't have to match your lipstick and the eyeshadow, so it's a really easy look. So yeah, anyways, with that we come to the end of this video. If you are a beginner, it's a really easy and a simple makeup look for you all to try. Even the products are very inexpensive. I will leave a link in the description to every single product that I've used. All of them will be down below, and if the exact same is not available on Amazon, I'll leave a substitute to that product in the description again. If you have enjoyed the video, please make sure you comment and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell. I'll see you in my tomorrow's video. That's it. Bye.